Everyone, welcome back to Youngcraft Academy. So in this video we are going to continue our zombie game in scratch. So let's go. So first of all, what we have done last time is we have added 5 sprite and 2 backdrops and created one variable. Okay, so we have coded for the soldier, we have coded for bullet. Now is zombie, barbed wire, and for a backdrop. Okay, so let's go. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the events when green flag click. Okay, so we'll first initialize our kills. So what we are going to do is set kills to 0. Okay, so we'll use this set kills to 0. Okay, so we'll what I'm going to do is go to the control, use this forever loop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is if this is for the zombie, right? So if bullet touching, so go to the sensing, use this touching bullet. Okay, not mouse pointer, touching bullet. Okay, if touching bullet, then first what it should be hide. Okay, we'll use this hide block. Okay, so this hide block. So what I'm going to change, so now what I'm going to do is we need to change the kills by how much? One zombie kills, that means one. So after that what we are going to do is we need to regenerate it. So we are going to use this first minus 248 to what, how much? Minus 65. Okay, so we are setting the location again to regenerate. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now just use this show block. Okay, so this will much. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is again, so we'll have a total of 4 cores. Okay, so when green flag click and another for barbed wire. Okay, so we'll go to the control, use this forever loop. Okay, so if then use this if then condition, forever loop if then, if for touching barbed wire. Okay, if touching what, barbed wire. Okay, so it should start the sound of what, game over. Okay, so start sound, go to the record, close this one, upload the sound. We have sound upload, so use this game over dot mp3. Okay, open. So go to the code again and add this into your game over. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, so again, so for the backdrop also we have two backdrop, right? So when green flag click, go to the control, use this forever loop. When green flag click, forever. So now what I'm going to do is if then. Okay, if then, if touching barbed wire, then we need to change the what, backdrop. Okay, so touching barbed wire, then switch backdrop to, so we'll go to the looks and go use this switch backdrop to backdrop 2. We have back in backdrop to what we have game over, right? So we'll go to again go to the what, control, go to the control and use this stop all. Okay, so again one more thing, so this is for that. Okay, so another one we need to add when green flag click. Okay, so when green flag click, switch backdrop to what, a normal backdrop first for the game reset, right? So switch backdrop to backdrop. Okay, so go to the front layer, you just go to the front layer we have in this here only. So go to front layer. Okay, so this should come first and the position need to be mentioned. Okay, go to x position. Okay, go to what, the position will be minus 248 to how much, minus 65. The same position will be there. Okay, so minus 265. Okay, so like this the zombies need to come from this side. Okay, so go to x minus 248, y minus 635. So after that what I'm going to do is go to the control, use forever loop. Okay, forever wait. So we'll use this wait block, wait how much, 0.2 second. Okay, 0.2 seconds. So we need to change the position by to left, right. So we'll use this change x by, so change x by how much, change x by 40. Okay, so change x by 40 and we'll just use this next costume if available. Okay, if not available then no problem. Okay, so okay, so let me see it. Okay, we'll go to the costume we have, maybe no. Okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'll be selecting this zombie 1, zombie 2, zombie 3. Okay, so let me go to the zombie game, go to the sprite. Okay, so zombie 1, zombie 2, zombie 3. So it should be realistic, right? So we'll select it, upload costume, set this zombie 3, open. Okay, so we are the zombie should the zombie will be moving like this. Okay, oh, sorry, what happened, the sides. Okay, not size, actually magnifier, I guess so. I don't know what happens. Wait, let me fix this magnifier, I guess so. Okay, wait. Okay, so what we have done is we'll just make this zombie 1, zombie 2, zombie 3. Otherwise we'll just change the costume. Okay, so costume 2, I'll just rename it as costume 2. Okay, so this one is also costume 3, like this, costume. Okay, costume 3. So this one will be our costume 1. Okay, this one will be our costume 1. Okay, like this. So what it's gonna do is, so it will just change. Okay, let me make this little bit small so that it will be fit. Okay, the same will be like this here also. The zombie 2 already here. Okay, so I'll just put zombie 1 and zombie 3. Okay, zombie 1 open. Okay, so now it's time for zombie 3. So I'll just rearrange it, zombie 3, like this. Okay, so I'll just make it zombie 3 will be here, zombie 1, zombie 2. Okay, I'll just rename it. Okay, so this will be also our costume 3, CSTM costume, CSTME costume 3. Okay, so I'll just rename it this one also, COSTUME costume 2, costume 2. Okay, and this one is also our costume what 1. Okay, let me costume 1. Okay, like this. We have changed the costume. Okay, of 2 only. So I'll just drag it here. I need it from here. Okay, so this one. Okay, so the same code applies for zombie 2 as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just drag this into here, like this. Okay, so zombie 2, look, the code came. Okay, so the same code is like this, just you need to change this one a little bit person, man, 239. Okay, just change a little bit person. Okay, don't worry about that. Minus 112. Okay, so instead of waiting for 0 point, I'll just wait for 0.3 second. Okay, and others everything will be same. Okay, I'll drag this one as well. Okay, when green flag click, I'll just put it here in zombie 2. Okay, so see, the code came here. So when green flag clicks, set keys to 0 forever 1. Okay, just I'll change this one also, whatever, minus 239. Okay, I'll just change this one also, minus 112. Okay, okay, so I'll just select this one also, it will be same. Okay, so I'll just put it here like this, and so I'll just drag it here. Okay, so where does that green flag click gone? Okay, nice. So when green flag click, forever if touching barbed wire, then switch backdrop, it will be same. Okay, so now what's left now? So this one left. Okay, so touch barbed wire, switch backdrop. Okay, switch backdrop left now. Okay, let me drag this also, let me put this here. So let me put this here. Okay, no, this one already done. All right, so we left with sound. Okay, we left with sound, so let me drag this sound as well. Okay, okay, let me drag this one. Okay, zombie 2. Okay, so we have dragged this one also, you can see it here, this one is here. Okay, so everything will be same. Okay, so for barbed wire we don't need, because we have actually coded in this zombie game soldier. Okay, so look, we have already coded in zombie. Okay, so what we need is, so now is for if you wants to add some code for backdrop also, you can. Okay, so let me okay, so you can. Okay, we need to fire from this, right? Wait, the code didn't. Okay, now let's play. Code is running perfectly. Okay, that this zombie just tossed the barbed wire. That's okay. Okay, so this game was about it. So I think you got me. Okay, so the code was very simple. It was very easy and understandable, right? So thank you so much for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.